In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a submittable PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This tutorial is perfect if you're looking to transform your static PDF forms into interactive documents that can easily be submitted via email. Let's get started. First, open your fillable PDF form in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure your form is complete and contains all the fields you want users to fill out. Once you've got your form ready, head to the Tools menu. From there, select All Tools and then choose Prepare a Form. This tool allows you to add interactive elements, such as buttons and other fields, enhancing the functionality of your document. Next, let's focus on adding a Submit button to your form. Click on the Add button icon and place the button at the desired location on your document. Position it somewhere easily accessible, like the bottom of the form, where users can quickly find it upon completion. Once the button is in place, double-click on it, and a Properties window will pop up. Within the Properties window, navigate to the Options tab, where you'll give your button a label. Type the word Submit in the label field. This will clearly indicate to users that pressing this button will submit their completed form. Now switch to the Actions tab, which is where you define what happens when the button is pressed. In the Select Action drop-down menu, choose Submit a Form to enable the submission capability. With this action selected, click on the Add button to define the specifics of the submission. You will be prompted to enter a URL. Here, you'll type mail to, followed immediately by your email address. This setup means users who click the Submit button will send their forms directly to your email. Next, specify the format in which the form will be submitted. Under the Export Format section, select PDF, the complete document. This ensures that the entire form, as filled out by the user, is sent to you instead of just the data or individual fields. After configuring these settings, click OK, then close the Properties window. Before finalizing your PDF, it's a good idea to test the button to ensure it works correctly. At the bottom left of your screen, click on Preview to simulate user interactions. Try filling out the form and hitting the Submit button to see if it prompts an email with the attached PDF. If it works as intended, exit preview mode. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Save your updated PDF to preserve the interactive features you've just added. Your form is now ready for distribution, allowing users to easily fill out and submit their responses directly to your designated email. Thanks for following this tutorial, and I hope you find your submittable PDF form useful.